In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another email account to Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your current account. Once you're inside your inbox, move to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, click Add Account. This will take you to the Google sign-in page. Enter the email address or phone number of the account you want to add, then click Next. On the next screen, enter the password for that account and click Next again. Wait a moment while the account signs in. If two-step verification is enabled for that account, complete the verification process by following the prompts on your screen. Once the login is successful, you'll be redirected back to Gmail. To confirm the account was added, click your profile picture in the top right corner. Again, you should now see the newly added email account listed along with your existing one. To switch between accounts, simply click on the secondary account name from the list. Gmail will open that account's inbox, usually in a new tab, allowing you to manage both accounts without signing out. You can repeat the same process anytime you want to add more accounts. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.